Hello everyone, my name is Papat. Today, we have Uncle Pat. Uncle Pat, you are welcome to the studio.
Thank you for having me, Patbot.
What does it take to design a front-end website?
Okay, in order to design a front-end website, as you rightly said, you will be needing basically three tools, and they are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you have these three tools, you are good to go.
Where should one start to learn all of this?
Okay, Patbot, this is a very good, interesting question. I would suggest that anybody who is trying to start a front-end web design should start to learn HTML and CSS. Once you are through with HTML and CSS, you can then proceed with learning other things like JavaScript.
Does front-end web design ends with these three tools?
No, Patbot. There are other things you will learn as it concerns front-end web design. It doesn't start and stop with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are other frameworks and libraries that you can bring in order to speed up your processes. Things like Angular or React.js. All these libraries and framework can help you to speed up the process, including Bootstrap.
What exactly do you need to start writing your codes?
Thank you for that question, Patbot. In order to start to write your code, you'll be needing a code editor. So I will suggest you get any of these three code editors. Number one is VS Code, number two is Sublime Text, and number three is Notepad++. There are so many other code editors, but any of these three will get you started.
Thank you for coming, Uncle Pat.
Thank you for having me, Patbot. It is my pleasure being here today.